Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can download and install Netflix app on your PC or laptop. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show you how. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up Microsoft Store, and then on Microsoft Store, on search, you just need to write Netflix, right? And then we need to wait for a couple of seconds until the page loads up, and then probably the first link will be Netflix, right? So click on it, then press get. And then we need to wait until Netflix is installed on our computer. And guys, after installation process is done, you will be getting not get button, but open. And then here, you can allow, accept, and then you can log in with your account and watch Netflix on Netflix app on your PC. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.